Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about some amazing things happening in South Korea's technology business. In 2024, South Korea sold a record-breaking $683.76 billion worth of goods to other countries. That's a lot of money. This incredible success was because many countries wanted to buy semiconductors and other tech products made in South Korea. The government department in charge of trade announced that this was an 8.2% increase from the year before, breaking the old record from 2022. Every single day, South Korea exported an average of $2.53 billion worth of goods, which is an 8.2% increase. At the same time, South Korea spent less on buying things from other countries. This means they had a trade surplus of $51.77 billion, which is a big improvement from the previous year. Now let's talk about the superstars semiconductors. South Korea sold a huge amount of semiconductors, about $141.92 billion worth, which is a 43.9% increase. This was because of the high demand for advanced computer chips used in artificial intelligence technologies. But wait, there's more. Sales of mobile phones increased by 11.2% because of new phone releases. Sales of display panels like those found in TVs and computers also went up slightly. Computer sales had a huge jump of 76.7% because of the demand for solid-state drives. While car sales dipped a little, ships built in South Korea were in high demand, especially the large ones used for carrying gas and cargo. Although sales of oil products decreased slightly because of lower oil prices, sales of petrochemicals increased. It's interesting to note that sales to the United States have been increasing for 8 years in a row. Overall, South Korea's amazing performance shows how they are focusing on high-tech industries and adapting to what the world needs. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.